Hello foodies, today we are going to make Baingan masala or brinjal masala, whatever way you want to call it. Brinjals are so good for your health, they are so very important in regulating your blood, they play a major role in improving the hemoglobin in your blood. They're so good for health basically. So we're going to see one of the different ways in which we can make brinjal masala or Baingan masala. First, let's add oil. You can use whatever shape of brinjal that you have at your home. You can slit them. These are slit so that they get cooked well in the masala, so that the masalas get soaked in them. We just have to keep frying them. Get it to a stage until it's this kind of brownish, and you need it to be 75 to 80% cooked, because we are anyways going to cook it later. So we'll have it 75 to 80% cooked. It must be soft as it is now. We are going to make a special paste for this, so we'll do that quickly. Here goes garlic, and then onions and curry leaves. We're going to make a special paste for this Baingan masala or masala Baingan. This is going to give it a unique taste. It is its body. It gives a fantastic aroma. Let's do this. We'll have it beside, and now here we go with tamarind, chilies and coriander seeds. Just dry roast them and let it cool. And here we go, chana dal and groundnuts. Again, let's dry roast them and have it beside. Okay. Now here goes oil, mustard seeds. Let them splatter. This is basically how much you want it to be. Just let them splatter, and then we have a jeera. The special paste we are going to make is out of the three dry masalas that we have kept aside. They're cooling, and we'll make a special paste out of it, and we'll add that to this braise. Here goes onions, cut onions. Just mix them really well until they're brown. Hint of salt and turmeric powder. Salt just a bit, because we're anyways going to add it later. And then tomatoes. These are cut tomatoes. Mix them really well. Now it shouldn't get mushy, so just mix them thoroughly. And dhania powder and red chili powder, mix them really well. You don't need to have that raw smell, so mix them really well. Now it's a perfect time to add our brinjals that are 75 to 80% cooked. They're very soft, so deal them softly. Deal them really softly. A hint of water. Again, this is up to your discretion. Add as much as you want, as per your taste. Just mix it really well. Now time to make a special paste. Here goes chana dal, groundnuts, and then we have tamarind, red chili, onions and curry leaves and garlic. We'll make it to a fine paste. It should be in between 85 to 95% of consistency. You don't want it to be 100% consistency. Ensure that it's about 80 to 90% consistency. It's time to add this to our brinjals. Mix it really well. Ensure that it's cooked. As we have ground it to a paste, the spices can be haywire, they can be uneven. So add a little bit of water and just mix it well. Let it cook. That will give its evenness. And talking about evenness, here we go with some jaggery. Just a hint, this will even out the tamarind's pulp, the taste. Bit of salt, as you already added it before. Now add a bit of water, let it cook. Don't be amateurish, let the brinjal cook really well. The spices must cook, otherwise it will be half baked. Now for freshness, here we go with coriander leaves. This will give the ideal taste or ideal finish that your Baingan masala deserves. Mix it really well. Let it cook. The secret to making a perfect Baingan masala is letting the brinjals and the masalas cook. That's a perfect blend, I would say. Just mix it really well, mix it thoroughly. Be soft, be gentle with it, because the brinjals are really soft. Now just mix it well. Now just let it boil, and until it's perfect, you can take it off your flame and have it with your bajra roti, jawar roti or rice. It just goes well with anything. Brinjal is actually favorite of many people, many veggies. So you can try this out this weekend with bajra roti, jawar roti and rice. Thank you for watching Easy Indian Recipes 1K. Please like, share and subscribe to Easy Indian Recipes 1K.